Welcome to day 4 of our summer class. Today, we're going to explore nature and get creative with a fun leaf tracing activity. First, let's find some interesting leaves. Look for different shapes and sizes. Nature is full of surprises. You'll need plain white paper, crayons, leaves. Place your leaf under a plain sheet of paper, just like this. Now, gently rub a crayon or pencil over the paper. Watch the leaf's pattern appear like magic. Look at these beautiful designs. Every leaf is unique, and so is your artwork. Great job, everyone! Keep exploring, keep creating, and we'll see you tomorrow for another exciting activity. Bye-bye.